Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, text 8:30. Charma karma gavisvatmam ayaskartu atmanaha tirandishayadasu tadyadan divam. Of course it is bewildering, O soul of the universe, that you work, though you are inactive, and that you take birth, though you are the vital force and the unborn. You yourself descend amongst the animals, men, sages, and aquatics. Verily this is bewildering. So Supreme is one, and Supreme is same time, person, and impersonal. So God has his own existence. He experienced things, which means that he has personality. He has his own life. But same time, Supreme is everywhere. And there's nothing else than the Supreme. So, and Supreme is unborn, eternal, soul of the universe. And that same God is divided on all living beings. And those living beings, they also are individual persons. So at the same time, there's only one God. At the same time, God is divided on many beings. But simultaneously, it doesn't affect the Supreme. He still stays full in himself. And he still stays as the source of everything. So we are one with the God, but at the same time we are different from the God. What does it mean is that there's nothing else than the God, and we are part and parcels of that one Supreme. But at the same time that God is beyond, it doesn't mean that we are that God, or we can become that Supreme. He still stays as himself, as we also, as a pure spiritual units of consciousness, as small living beings, we stay as a persons, as a individuals, eternally. Like because the self is eternal, self is Satchit Ananda. Sat means eternal. So self cannot merge, self cannot stop existing or merge to the universal consciousness. We can connect to universal consciousness, yes, but we still stay as an individual. Similar way that the Supreme, one cannot become God through the meditation. That place is already taken, but we can connect. Yoga means to connect. Connect means that there's two things. There's someone connecting to someone else. So yoga means to connect. We can connect back to our source, and then we achieve our original position. We realize our original position as a part and parcel of the Supreme, and then we can be beyond the perfect situation. We are happy. So one says there's nothing else than the God is everywhere and everything is in the God. But at the same time, God, it doesn't mean that everything is God. This is bewildering. This is not easy to understand. Sometimes we try to separate the self and God, that there's no any connection, and sometimes we try to make it like a monistic, that there's no difference between the self and God. But what we learn from the Bhagavatam is that there is very much different. There's a cause and effect. Supreme is the cause, and we are the effect. There's difference, but we are also one in that sense. They're like a sun and sun rays. You cannot separate the sun and the sun rays from each other. If there's sun rays, and if there's sun rays, there's the sun. But they are still different. One is the source, one is the cause, another one is the effect. So that's our relation with the Supreme. As India, Veda Veda, oneness and difference. Srimad Bhagavatam, Ki Jai.